Imagine a star so massive that it could hold 1.2 billion stars the size of our Sun within it. This colossal star, many times larger than our Sun, is highly unpredictable. Its brightness constantly fluctuates, and its shape shifts and twists in a cosmic ballet. What causes this unusual behavior? The star is nearing the end of its life, on the verge of a spectacular explosion, a supernova. This star is Betelgeuse, one of the brightest in our night sky, located just 640 light-years away. Hello and welcome to Z! Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. When will Betelgeuse explode, and what mysteries are hidden behind its erratic behavior? Are we on the brink of witnessing a supernova in our night sky? And should we be concerned when this giant star finally blows? I'm Tom Bennett, and you're watching Destiny. Betelgeuse, also known as Alpha Orionis, is a red supergiant in the constellation Orion. It's one of the largest stars visible without a telescope and is positioned at the top left of Orion's shoulder. Located about 642 light-years from Earth, Betelgeuse is relatively close in astronomical terms. This star's size is truly staggering. To illustrate, if Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit, swallowing Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and possibly the asteroid belt. Betelgeuse has a radius 1,400 times that of our Sun and a mass 20 times greater, though its density is much lower due to its enormous volume. As a supergiant, Betelgeuse is one of the most massive and luminous stars in the universe, burning through its nuclear fuel at an astonishing rate. Despite being only 8 to 10 million years old, a brief span in the life of stars, it is already nearing the end of its existence. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is in the final stage of its life. Having exhausted the hydrogen in its core, the star is now fusing heavier elements, causing it to expand and cool, giving it its distinct red hue. This phase is relatively short-lived, lasting just a few million years before the star meets its dramatic end. Betelgeuse has undergone significant changes throughout its life. It began as a hot blue giant, burning hydrogen in its core. When the hydrogen was depleted, the core contracted and heated up, igniting helium fusion, which caused the star's outer layers to expand and cool, transforming it into the red supergiant we observe today. The fusion reactions within Betelgeuse are creating elements like carbon and oxygen, eventually leading to the formation of heavier elements such as silicon and iron. The accumulation of iron in the core marks the end of the fusion process, as iron fusion requires more energy than it releases, signaling the star's inevitable collapse. In late 2019, Betelgeuse began exhibiting strange behavior, dimming significantly, an effect that continued into early 2020. This dimming was so pronounced that Betelgeuse's brightness dropped to about 40% of its normal level, making it noticeably dimmer to the naked eye. This sudden change sparked intense scientific interest and public speculation, with many wondering if Betelgeuse was about to go supernova. However, while this dimming was unusual, it wasn't necessarily a sign of an imminent explosion. Scientists have proposed various explanations for the dimming, including massive ejections of gas and dust from the star's surface, as well as large star spots similar to sunspots but on a much larger scale. A particularly compelling theory emerged from observations using the Very Large Telescope in Chile, which suggested that the dimming was caused by a giant dust cloud ejected from Betelgeuse's surface. This cloud partially blocked the star's light as seen from Earth, leading to the observed dimming. Now, Betelgeuse is once again in the spotlight, with recent observations showing another dimming event. This has reignited discussions and research into the star's mysterious behavior. The recurrence of dimming suggests that Betelgeuse is experiencing significant convective activity in its outer layers, causing these fluctuations in brightness. These dimming episodes offer a rare opportunity to study the processes occurring in the outer layers of a red supergiant. Scientists are using various instruments, including ground-based telescopes and space observatories, to monitor Betelgeuse and gather data to help unravel the mysteries of its behavior. Betelgeuse has been observed for centuries, with its brightness variations documented by many cultures. Ancient astronomers, including Greeks and Arabs, noted Betelgeuse's prominent position in the sky. The star's name has Arabic roots, derived from Yad al-Jawza, meaning the hand of the central one. Betelgeuse has also inspired literature and mythology, appearing in works like Douglas Adams' The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where it serves as the home star of the Betelgeusians. Its prominence in the night sky has made it a symbol of mystery and power. But when exactly will Betelgeuse go supernova? Predicting the precise timing of such an event is incredibly difficult. It could happen tomorrow, or it might be another 100,000 years before Betelgeuse reaches the end of its life. What we do know is that as a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is nearing the final stages of its stellar life cycle. When Betelgeuse finally does go supernova, it will be a spectacular sight. The explosion will be so bright that it will be visible during the day for weeks or even months. It will outshine the full moon and be clearly visible to the naked eye from Earth. The supernova will release an immense amount of energy, briefly outshining the entire galaxy before gradually fading away. A supernova is a complex and violent event. It begins with the core's collapse, which occurs in a fraction of a second. The star's outer layers fall inward at speeds up to 43,000 meters per second, generating a shock wave that spreads outward. This shock wave heats the surrounding material, causing it to glow brightly and creating the supernova's distinctive light curve. From Earth, astronomers will have a unique opportunity to observe a supernova in real time, gaining valuable insights into the processes that drive stellar evolution and death. This will also be a rare spectacle for amateur astronomers and stargazers. A once-in-a-lifetime experience if it happens within our lifetimes. While we can't predict exactly when Betelgeuse will go supernova, astronomers are ready to observe and study the event whenever it occurs. Advanced telescopes and observatories around the globe are prepared to capture data across multiple wavelengths, from visible light to gamma rays. Public outreach and educational programs are also in place to keep the public informed and engaged when the supernova occurs. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency are planning to share real-time updates and observations, making this a global event that will unite people in awe and wonder. Technological advancements have greatly improved our ability to study stars like Betelgeuse. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope, the Very Large Telescope, and the James Webb Space Telescope provide unprecedented views of these distant giants. If Betelgeuse explodes soon, the images captured by these telescopes will be truly breathtaking. These instruments currently allow scientists to analyze Betelgeuse's light in extraordinary detail, revealing its composition, surface activity, and internal processes. Future space missions and observatories will further expand our understanding of red supergiants and supernovae. Projects like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and the European Extremely Large Telescope are poised to make groundbreaking discoveries, potentially uncovering new insights into the life cycles of stars and the dynamics of supernova explosions. You might be wondering, if the star does explode, are we in any danger here on Earth? Rest assured, when Betelgeuse eventually goes supernova, it will be an extraordinary event for observers on Earth, but not a dangerous one. The light from the explosion will take approximately 642 years to reach us, meaning we'll witness an event that occurred centuries ago. The supernova will be so bright that it will be visible during the day, and at night, it will cast shadows. Yes, it's possible that the star has already gone supernova, but the light just hasn't reached us yet. However, there's no need to worry. Betelgeuse's supernova will be too far away to pose any threat to Earth. Instead, it will provide a unique opportunity to study the aftermath of a supernova up close. Betelgeuse, the mighty red supergiant, continues to captivate us with its immense size, brightness, and unpredictable behavior. Its recent dimming events remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. While we may not know exactly when Betelgeuse will go supernova, we do know that it will be an event of unparalleled brilliance and scientific significance. So keep an eye on the night sky, and remember that each twinkle of Betelgeuse brings us closer to witnessing one of the universe's most awe-inspiring events. Until then, we'll continue to marvel at this giant star and the secrets it holds. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Be sure to stay tuned here for more exciting and mysterious happenings in the universe. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. It really helps us create more amazing content for our viewers. From all of us here at Destiny, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.